Hockey stick. Here's the thing. The angle that you're going to turn your hockey stick, right, is going to dictate the angle that your hammer is going to have to come down. Correct? So some people like to have their hockey stick when they come over. They like to have it leaning out a little bit. So which means that their hammer have to come this way at this angle. Right? For the hammer to come at that angle, which means that they have to be leaning forward a little bit so they can come back into it. Because what you try to do is you try to fill this space to create the corner. That's all this step does. The only purpose of this step is to create this corner. Right? So I personally like to fold my hockey sticks, turn my hockey stick a little bit more vertical. Right? And then my hammer comes at this angle here. Right? So then I have a little bit less space to fill there. Right? So another thing is when I'm hitting, I'm focusing on hitting the back part of the hockey stick. Because if you hit the front part, this is going to curve and the hockey stick is going to run away from you. Right? So some people turn this way, so which means that they have to come here. Right? I find for me, I turn a little bit more. Right? I go almost vertical there for me. Okay? Then I gotta fill this space. So two things now I have to pay attention. One, I'm gonna have to drop my left hand to make sure that the bar stock stays straight with the face, right? And I'm gonna hit this back here to fill that gap. So I'm hitting this back corner, see it? See how it's filling the space? See it? Mm-hmm. Alright. So I defined my first step of my hockey stick, which was this corner, the beginning, right? So the corner has this side and this side, right? So I created this side, right? So now with the horn, I'm gonna create this side. Right? So here's the thing. I'm gonna put her in here where there's space. See it? See the space? I'm gonna hit just right in front of where I want my corner to be. Okay? There, I'm going right here on top, right in front of the corner. Alright? So now my hockey stick's ready. One thing to watch is that when you hit it, make sure that you keep the hockey stick 90 degrees with the horn. So it doesn't get so you don't bevel the hockey stick. Right? Okay?